old money videos, that is not a flex. CLS 53 AMG, it's the best, yeah. Skipping lanes, I'm running through them states. I was only 13 when I caught my first case. Bitch, I got the city hot like the fucking Everglades. Dub clothes out of style, please go put that shit away.
My dashboard. Take it off the rail. And the new dashboard is in. I'm about to put it on and lock it in. I'll show you when it's done. And the dashboard is put together. I don't know. I might have to change the radio because it looks cracked right there, but we'll see. I'm about to put it back in and let you guys see how when it's done. Let's go. Okay, and the dash is in, but we have a little bit of a problem. Make sure none of the other ones are cut. Let me see. Okay, so this, I have 4 wires that are cut. These are the 4. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just clip this whole thing, since that pin, this pin right here, is too short for me to rewire. So I'm gonna clip the whole thing, and luckily I have another one, and I'll just rewire the whole thing. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alrighty, I rewired it. Color on color. Make sure everything goes to the right things, and rewrapped it just like factory. So now I'm gonna put the middle console in, and that's about it. And then we gotta drop off the seats and the seat belts to get fixed. Dashboard in, middle console in. I took out the seat belts so that way we'll be able to go restore and repair them. And now I'm about to start putting the motor and everything in. Motor is in. I connected my brake line. Oh, I'm gonna put this on. Good thing I came to show you guys. Put this on and put that little tin nut to hold it, and we should be good. So, motor's in. Only reason you see it sagging down is because I have to bolt up the transmission. As you guys can see, everything is on. Wire harness in. Brake line on. Connected most of the cables. And we're looking good for the most part. And then another thing, I'll probably see if someone, I don't know if I'm gonna have space to do it, but I ended up not being able to get the welder to take that stud out the motor, but I think we should be good. A couple of guys have told me I should be good. And then I might have to change this. It's hit a little bit, but it might be good. It probably just got hit, but I'm not sure if it damaged anything internally. But we're looking good. The dashboard is in. Dashboard is in. Focus. Dashboard is in. Just have to get a car wash and put a battery in it. But dashboard is in. Who left this on my car? I don't do drags, guys, but. And then there was a wire. There was a few wires cut at the bottom of my fuse box. I'll show you guys. I'll post a picture on here. And the only problem I'm having now is the bottom of this AC line. Like putting it on. But I should be good. After I bolt up the transmission. So after that, we should be good. So I'll show you guys when I'm done, and then I'm putting radiator support on today as well. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. Engine oil is in. I'm gonna add the oil now, and then we're gonna bleed the brakes in a little. Radiator support on, drive shaft on. Only thing we need to buy is a new ABS module, and that's about it. Then I gotta put the calf on, and we should be good. Getting the glass installed on the front and back. Just went to the dealer and got the coolant for the truck. They installed my windshield and the back glass. So I'll show you guys when it's done. Just pour the coolant. The windshield is installed. Get at him. And the back glass is installed. Seatbelts working, just picked them up. I'm installing them now. They're unlocked, so we're good to go. Just jump off the seat to the repair at the upholstery place. And ooh, this headliner nice. And I'll show you guys when it's done. Just picked up the seat. Interior is complete. All we gotta do is clean the passenger seat. I did get a car wash, and I changed the screen, so the screen works now. And we gotta get the pigtail for this and rewire it. But the truck is done. It's complete. I'll show you guys in the daytime what it looks like, because it is dark out right now. Let me see. So I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. And this is how she looks now. Like new. Okay, so we have troubles putting the exhaust on. So we are at the muffler shop, and I'll show you guys when it gets in the air what it looks like. Boy, she sure is pretty. She is now quiet. Just picked up the ABS module. And yeah. Alright guys. That shit is fully done. Exhaust put on. We did the AC. Seatbelts work. ABS modules reprogrammed and fixed, so there's no lights on the dash. And she's pretty much ready. All she needs a car wash. That's about it. And after that, that's it. She's for sale. So 50,000 or best offer.